How to create Zion's Bank online account. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, open any web browser you want and search for zionsbank.com. On this website, click in the Sign In option and select Personal Banking. Then over here, if you already have an account, you can enter your credentials to log into your account. If you want to create a new account, click on the Enroll Now option. First, select your service, which is online banking and mobile banking. Click on Continue. Then here you need to enter some of your details such as your ATM or Visa debit card number, your PIN number, your card type, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Then you want to click in the Continue option. Then the next step is to review and confirm all of your details. Then finally, you're going to get your login credentials. And this is how you can create Zion's Bank online account. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.